2021 Diwali celebration. We have it as an annual celebration every year, but for the past 1 year we did not have it because of COVID. So I'm glad to see such a big crowd and the enthusiasm in the crowd for the Diwali celebration here. The Indian community here celebrated Diwali on November 4th. So we are doing as a community event here almost 3 weeks later. So typically what Diwali involves or what it means is a festival of lights. So we light diyas, which you can see on each of these centerpieces, the thing that is lighting up, we call it diya. Of course, it's tea light candles here, but in Hindi or Sanskrit, it's called deepam or diya, and that's where the word Deepavali or Diwali comes from. So that's the significance of the festival. We have this as a community event where we invoke the blessings of the gods. So we started with the puja, in case you missed it earlier, and now we will have performances which include a lot of dances and songs from different parts of India. So if you are not aware of it, we have different culture and languages in different parts of India, and you get just a glimpse of it, not the entire thing. So I'll give it over to my co-host here, Swati, and she'll give you a little bit more information about Diwali at TCDC.
Hello everyone. Actually, a very good evening to you all. I'm Swati. Thank you, Surabhi, for the information. So, TCDC has been having this Diwali event, our annual Mega Diwali celebrations. So, which is the most coveted event by all. So, we started the event with the puja, like praying our god and goddess over there, in case if you all missed it. And now we are going to start the cultural program, which is the breadth of art forms in India. So, are you all ready for the cultural events?
Yes.
Perfect. So, before we proceed, we have few announcements. So, we have dinner around 8:15 p.m. So, this is the snacks you're having right now. And a humble request to all the parents to watch the kids. Make sure they don't come close to the stage so that it won't be blocking everyone. And we'll be starting our cultural events soon now. Don't forget to take the ticket at the front desk, because we'll be having like a lottery event, like we will pick a ticket and find who is the lucky winner, and this will be going throughout the event. So please make sure you pick the tickets and keep it with you until the whole event is done. So let's start with our very first performance. So the kids here, Sangeeta and Shreya, are going to perform for a dance that is composed for a poem written by Shri Chandrabhanu Tripathi, and this poem actually explains the beauty of the land, the beauty of the culture, and on the whole, it is the spirit of India. So please welcome Sangeeta and Shreya onto the stage, please.
Sata darshaniyam
is a traditional Marathi dance called the Lavani dance, and this is going to be performed by Snehal. Snehal and Hrishikesh and their family just joined us about 3-4 months back, and they are ready with the performance right now. Any Maharashtrians in the crowd? Kasha is? Majid. Okay, so we have a couple of Maharashtrians in the crowd. This is a state in India. This is almost in the central part of India. And if you have heard of Bombay or Mumbai, that's where this state is. Okay, that's a famous city over there, the business center of India. And this is a traditional dance from there. So let's welcome Snehal on the stage. This is a solo performance. Snehal, and I would like to share something else about her attire. So this is a very traditional Marathi attire, the one she was wearing. You might see people wearing sari, which is like a draping cloth that we wear in a particular way, but this is a different form of wearing sari. This, I'm not sure if it is a 9-yard sari, it has a longer length than the regular sari. And Snehal was almost about to not perform because she had not received her shipment from India. So we are very thankful that she was able to give this lovely performance for us. Once again, a big applause for Snehal. Thank you so much. With that, we will start with our first raffle prize. So if you have your tickets, keep them out. And one second, I will ask any kid to come on the stage who is between 3 to 5 years old. Any? Our first number is, please check, 2140. 016. Again, it's 214 016. Thank you. We have another on-the-spot prize. Now I'm going to start with the elderly. Okay. For people or parents visiting from India, check your purses or wallets. If anyone is carrying Indian currency, any Indian rupee note, no people, parents traveling from India, you're out. Parents visiting from India, you come to the next one if you carry it. Let's see if someone can have Indian currency with them. Alright, they have Indian currency. 100 rupee note, that's what they have. So right now the conversion, I believe it's $1 is 74 rupees if I'm right. Right? Okay, so $1 is 74 rupees, so that you can see that does not hold any sense if you are using it here in US. Alright? Okay, so come and grab your prize please. So Rishikesh and Snehal, the one who just performed.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, we have our dancer duo sisters, the famous Berthi sisters coming up on the stage. Arushi Berthi and Ionia Berthi. They have performed earlier and they are inspiration for all the kids for performing on the stage. They are dancing to a number which is Gunguru, which means twinkling anklets, which is typically worn, so you know what an anklet is. But in India, this Gunguru is usually worn for most of the traditional or cultural dances. So the word will come in there. I'm not sure they are not wearing the Gunguru, but that's what it means, the Gunguru, okay? So let's welcome the Berthi sisters on stage. Not as yet. That was a fast number. We have something later on. After the dinner, the dance floor will be open, so learn the moves. This is the time to do that if you have not learned so far. We have a number of other performances, so try to get in that groove and start learning some of these moves. Okay? Alright. Our next performer is none other than our TCDC President, Mahesh Pattabhiraman. And he's my husband. I'm just going to introduce him, so he's going to perform on the stage. No more information.
Alright, so I hope you like the song. It's about a leaf called as pan. So pan is bitter leaves. I don't know if you have heard of it. It's sort of a condiment in India. After having like a heavy dinner, pan is usually good for digestion. So this song is about pan because a guy in disguise is not able to eat pan. So he vents his frustration through a song. So that's what this is about. Hope you enjoy. तुम काका बताई भैया हमरा हाल का है निकले थे हम हलवा खाने मुंह जल गया है का तुमको बताई अब का समझाई बड़ी दुर्घटना है मुश्किल बचना है कुछ ऐसा चक्कर कुछ ऐसी आंधी कोई हमका करनी कोई पूजा पांदी कोई भागा दौड़ी दिन रात रात में जाग जाग के ऐसी भागम भाग कहीं हुआ दे, कभी हिया दे, कभी हुआ दे, कभी इधर बगे, कभी उधर बगे, फिर तुमने लिया ये पान तो आई हमारी जान में जान, तो आई हमारी जान में जान, तो आई हमारी जान में जान। खाए के पान बनारस वाला, खाए के पान बनारस वाला, खुल जाए बंद अकल का ताला। तो खाए के पान बनारस वाला, खुल जाए बंद अकल का ताला। फिर तो ऐसा करे धमाल, सीधी कर दे सबकी चाल। बछोरा 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 गंगा किनारे वाला, हो चोरा गंगा किनारे वाला। खाए के पान बनारस वाला, खुल जाए बंद अकल का ताला। You can dance if you want. I'm just only going to sing. Or clap. More dance, please. हरे राम दुहाई, कैसे चक्कर में पड़ गया, हाय हाय हाय। कैसे मीठी कटारी मेरे दिल में उतर गया, हाय हाय। कैसा सीधा साधा मैं, कैसा भोला भाला, हाँ हाँ। अरे कैसा सीधा साधा मैं, कैसा भोला भाला। जाने कौन गरीब में पड़ गया पढ़े लिखों के पाला। मीठी चोरी से हुआ निहार, गोरा गंगा किनारे वाला, हो चोरा गंगा किनारे वाला। खाए के पान बनारस वाला, खुल जाए बंद अकल का ताला। एक कन्याकुमारी हमारी सूरत पे मर गई, हाय हाय हाय। एक मीठी कटारी मेरे दिल में उतर गई, हाय हाय। कैसी चोरी चोरी वो दिखी दिखी गोरी बाबा, कैसी गोरी गोरी वो दिखी दिखी चोरी करके चोरा चोरी मेरे के चली चोरी। मेरी चोरी को हुआ निहार, चोरा गंगा किनारे वाला, हो चोरा गंगा किनारे वाला। खाए के पान बनारस वाला, खुल जाए बंद अकल का ताला। खाए के पान बनारस वाला, खुल जाए बंद अकल का ताला। फिर तो ऐसा करे धमाल, सीधी कर दे सबकी चाल। बछोरा 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 गंगा किनारे वाला, हो चोरा गंगा किनारे वाला।
So we are ready for the second raffle prize. Can anyone from between age 5 and 7 come over here to pick a ticket? 214027. Rafiala, okay. Rafiala won the prize. Please come and please pick your prize. So we have another on-the-spot prize. So now this prize goes to the one who have exactly 10 bangles in one hand. Oh, you got 10? Great. And Shalia? Right. Congratulations. So we have many more coming next. Please keep your tickets and look at your hands, legs, and make sure you have all the bangles. Okay. So the next performance is a groovy dance by Vandana Birti. Yes, she is the mom of the duo sisters. you watched before, and this runs in the families. This song is a Persian song which means making the moon jealous. So let's sing. Let's invite Vandana onto the stage, please.
We forgot to mention this is mom of the birthday sister, so it runs in the family and you'll see them on the floor in some time. So just follow them as they go along. Really great. Thank you, Vandana. And thank you for a wonderful start to the evening. Our next performance is the kiddos again, whom you saw for the really first performance. If you don't recognize them because they are in a completely different attire right now, we have Sanhita and Shreya. And now they are performing a medley dance. It's a fusion dance between a Western music, so hopefully some of you will recognize. And the kids, please make sure you're not running in front of the stage. And this song, I'm sure all the kids know, so please feel free to dance at your spots. Just don't disturb the performers over here. So it's a fusion between Western music and Indian music. So please put your hands together again for Sanhita and Shreya. Big round of applause to them. They've spent their time beyond the school hours to practice and give you this lovely performance. So really a great job. Okay? At this point, I'm going to ask all the kids if anyone wants to come up and tell a joke. I think I have one person ready. Others, get ready. You can come up and tell a joke. This is your time to be on the stage. Okay, the first one, I guess, Ritvik is ready. Just one joke, anything. Come up on the stage and get a chance to tell a joke. Or anything. If you want to come up and sing, come up. Just do it.
Why is 6 afraid of 7? Because 7, 8, 9.
Anyone else coming up? Oh, I have another volunteer coming up. Okay, Rohan is ready to tell a joke. Okay.
Why did the ducks cross the road? To get to the other side.
Next is Devam over here.
I know how to sing the shape song. I know how to sing a shape song.
Go ahead.
You just said I didn't have to sing the shape song. That's a good one. Here we have Jameson coming up.
If April showers bring Mayflowers, what do Mayflowers bring?
Where?
Pilgrims.
Thank you.
Population of this area keeps growing, but nobody lives there. Well, is it? Right here.
The population of this area keeps growing, but nobody lives there.
A graveyard.
Oh, wow.
Spooky joke.
I like skeletons every day because I really like skeletons.
He got the joke, I think. That was a really good one. I think we all are scared now.
All right, ready for the one more performance? This is the last and Damkedar performance. So this is a medley by Aishwarya, Akshay, Sai and Bhargav, tapping to the tunes of Bollywood, Tollywood together. So are you all ready for that? Yes. Okay, let's welcome all of them on stage. 14005.
Jamie Hansen.
Congratulations. So for on the spot prize,
Okay, listen to this properly. This is for the guys. Anyone carrying their spouse's picture in their wallet? First come first, okay? Anyone carrying their spouse's picture in their wallet? Wow, he has a picture. Great! Suresh, our vice president for the center, he does have the picture of his wife in the wallet. So he gets the on-the-spot prize. Come up with Suresh and take your prize.
I'm truly not aware of this. I did not put the picture in his wallet.
We have a surprise item here. This is a group from University of Nebraska Kearney who are performing. They are from Nepal, so a country to the north of India. And this is going to be a Nepalese song. So they just had an international week and they performed at the event at UNK, which is University of Nebraska Kearney, and here they are giving us the performance from there. Okay, let's welcome them on the stage. I don't know their names, so we'll ask them later. This is just a surprise performance.
Two 14092.
Great job. Well, I just moved here 30 weeks ago, so it's a very welcoming community, so I'm glad to be here. Thank you, guys.
We have another raffle ticket, just because we are at the end of the show, so we have another raffle ticket. Let's see who wants to pick this one up.
214038.
Did you hear that? 214038. Please say your name and where you're from.
My name is Chantal. I'm from Jamaica, but I live in Kearney.
Congratulations. Within you, who has come the farthest from Nebraska? Missouri.
9 hours.
Missouri. Who else? Mississippi. Come on. Place your bids. We have Missouri, Mississippi. Mississippi is the farthest so far.
Hello, I'm Pranoy. I'm basically from India, but I did my undergrad at Mississippi State University. Go Bulldogs.
Congratulations.
देखा मैं करूँ सारी सारी रात छुप छुप के मुझे देखा